Welcome everyone to the video titled Creating a Trial. My name is Craig Kreskis. I'm a cloud solution architect here in the US at Microsoft. And this video is really designed to help begin the process of understanding Dynamics 365 marketing. So this is the first video. It's just some of my best practices on how to get started with a trial environment. As you can see on the screen, I've got a number of different topics and videos that'll be accompanying this web series or the video series. We'll talk about emails, segments, text, push notifications, everything possible. Now, it's not an all-inclusive list. There are topics that are not always covered in this workshop, but we'll get you educated and trained up. The first step I always recommend is to create a customer engagement trial first. And I use the CDX environment. That's that customer digital experience. You can get to the video page or to the site at demos.microsoft.com. When you get there, you'll log in as a partner if you haven't already been a part of this experience. From there, you will select environments. And here you can see I have a number of different environments already configured. You see the creation and the expiration dates associated with them. Let's begin by creating a tenant. And you'll see if you scroll down the page, towards the middle, there will be Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement. Select that tenant, check mark, and then accept the terms to continue. And you will have a provisioned demo environment for customer engagement. So that's the first step. Now the second step is to take those admin credentials that you just created and then open up an in-private browser or an incognito browser and then create a marketing trial. And this will get you 30 days. It's just an easy way for you to follow along in the videos that I've been creating. From here, open up trials.dynamics.com and it'll direct you to this page. You can shortcut right to marketing and then you will select try for free. Again, I want to make sure it's important that you did select an in-private or incognito browser so that your local host machine doesn't get confused when you're creating this trial for this user. Now, here you see that admin user. I'm going to select OK and start the trial. I'll enter in my password and then I'll stay signed in. Last step is to hit submit. And that has given you, or that will grant you, a 30-day trial environment. You see the message here at the top of the page. Now, the last thing I want you to do is review some of the environment settings just to make sure you're up to date and current. So you do that inside of marketing, select settings, switch to that area. First I always do is open up versions. It looks like my updates are current. And then you'll also want to update the admin center under environments, choose marketing trial. And I want to make sure that I have all of the current updates available. So as you know, we will often release features that are in preview. So you need to make sure that that's enabled. So to do the updates, you hit manage, select update now, confirm, and then let that run inside of the background. So that's an easy way to get started. You start with a customer engagement trial, then you create a marketing trial. You've got 30 days. Now you may say to me, Craig, I don't have time to keep updating this trial environment every 30 days or provisioning a new one every 30 days. I want to make sure everybody knows about the Sandbox license. This is for many of the Dynamics 365 apps. Marketing is included in that. So here is the current price sheet for a partner to provision a Sandbox environment and use in your demos. So you can see the cost per month. And then if you want to learn more, you can go out to the site and in addition to learn more, this is where you would sign up. It is experience.dynamics.com/request license. And you'd enter in the information here on this form. and then you would then have a non-expiring tenant. So that might be a better way to go for many of you. I want to thank you so much. Excited to share with you these videos that are upcoming in our series. Thank you so much for being a part of this video, creating a trial for Dynamics 365 marketing. If you would like to learn more about our upcoming live events in the US, I provided the link at the bottom left corner of this page. Again, thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in a video real soon.